Hello everyone. Now question 4th onward are related to the reciprocal concept, but here you have to verify it. So verification means you have to verify LHS whether LHS and RHS are equal or not. So verify x minus y minus 1 or inverse or multiplicative inverse or reciprocal, one and same thing. So x minus y power minus 1 not equal. Here you have to prove not equal x inverse minus y inverse. Inverse means multiplicative inverse. Now let's see LHS and RHS. Now we will substitute their values minus 2 by 7 minus y. So minus 4 by 7 and according to the LHS minus 1 is the power or the inverse is outside the bracket. So what will you do? You will solve the bracket first by taking its LCM and then at the end you will find out its reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. So this term you will get it. Now you will find out its multiplicative inverse or reciprocal. So what should be the reciprocal of minus 6 by 7? देखिए यहाँ -1 का मतलब इसका रेसिप्रोकल. So reciprocal would be 7 upon -6. So this would be the reciprocal. Okay. Now come to the RHS. X inverse means आप पहले x पावर का इनवर्स निकालेंगे, देन माइनस करेंगे y पावर का इनवर्स और y का इनवर्स. सो x इनवर्स और रेसिप्रोकल माइनस y रेसिप्रोकल. सो x का इस माइनस 2 by 7 का रेसिप्रोकल इट वुड बी 7 upon minus 2. And what about 4 by 7 का reciprocal? It would be 7 upon 4. Now, remember, you will not put the reciprocal sign now because you have taken the reciprocal of minus 2 by 7. So, this is 7 upon minus 2. And all of you have remembered one thing. While solving this term, the denominator should not be negative. So what will you do? You will shift negative sign on the upper side. Now you will solve it. Take its LCM. So 4 would be the LCM. Minus 14, divide and multiply. So you are getting minus 21 by 4. Minus 21 by 4. So what do you observe? LHS and RHS, both of them are different. So here, therefore, how will you write? Therefore, LHS is not equals to RHS, hence verified. Hence verified. Okay, so in this case, LHS is not equals to RHS. Now come to the next question. Question number 5. Verify that x plus y inverse not equal x inverse plus y inverse. So again this is same as question number 4, but instead of minus sign here it is plus sign. Now let's take this question. So instead of x you will put its value 5 by 9 plus y value is minus 4 by 3 and reciprocal. You will solve the bracket first. 9 LCM 5 plus minus 12 by dividing 3 and multiply it with minus 4 and its reciprocal. Don't forget to write the reciprocal. Now solve it for the 5 plus into minus 12 upon 9 and its reciprocal. What should be next step? You have to solve the bracket first. So it would be minus 7 upon 9 reciprocal. Okay. Now you will find out the reciprocal of minus 7 by 9. So what would be the reciprocal of minus 7 by 9? It would be 9 upon minus 7. So the LHS is 9 upon minus 7. Now let's see RHS. X inverse or X reciprocal. So 5 by 9 reciprocal plus y reciprocal minus 4 by 3 and its reciprocal. अब आप क्या करेंगे, इस 5 by 9 का reciprocal you will find out first. So it would be 9 by 5. Now remember, now you will not put the reciprocal sign because we have already taken the reciprocal here. Plus, now go for this, so it would be 3 upon minus 4. Now, since you have to solve it further, the denominator should not be negative. So, you will take in next step, you will take the denominator on the upper side, find its LCM 20, so 36 plus minus 15. Now, it would be 21 upon 20. So, 21 upon 20 would be RHS. So what do you observe here? That LHS is not equals to RHS. So LHS not equal RHS, and this only we have to verify that it should not be equal. Hence verified. Hence verified. In question number 6, again same, but the symbol is multiplication. Now let's proceed for LHS. X multiply y inverse. So x value minus 2 by 3 multiply y minus 3 by 4 and its whole inverse. So how will you solve it? आप क्या करेंगे? You will solve the bracket first. So since it is in the multiplication sign, so हम इसको cancel कर सकते हैं. So it would be like this: minus 1 multiply minus 1 upon 2 inverse. So it would be 1 upon 2 inverse. Minus minus will become plus. Up 1 upon 2 inverse you have to find out, or reciprocal. So it would be 2 upon 1, or you can write it 2 only also. Now next RHS, x inverse minus 2 by 3 inverse or reciprocal multiply y inverse or y reciprocal. अब आप क्या करेंगे? minus 2 by 3 का reciprocal you will write it. So it would be 3 upon minus 2 multiply. Similarly you will find out the reciprocal of this. So it would be 4 upon minus 3. So what should be next step? Since it is in the multiplication form, so we can cancel it. So cancel the term. Here also you can cancel it. So you would be getting multiply upper with upper, so 2 upon minus 1 multiply minus 1, so it would be 1. Okay, so in this case the RHS is 2 upon 1. Here the question is that the both of them are equal. LHS and RHS are equal. This thing you have to prove it. It's not equal. So what do you observe here? Therefore LHS equal RHS. In this question it is equal. Hence verified. Hence verified. So as LHS and RHS both of them are coming as 2 upon 1. So both the sides are equal, and therefore we have verified the question also. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.